guys, it's me again. Today we're going to look at how to read a play. So today is Wednesday, April 29th. You're going to obviously need your iPad, which you have, and you're going to need a notebook and a pencil. Today you're going to take a couple notes, very basic, and then you're going to have a practice to try afterward. So let's get to it. The first thing that I need you to do is I want you to write down these notes. We're going to talk about how to read a play. The play we're going to read has what we call acts. We saw this word on Monday in our vocabulary, but I'd like you to write it down again. An act is kind of like a chapter of the play. We have chapters in books, but acts are how we break up a play. Usually there's no more than 5 acts in a play. So please copy down this. Act is chapters of the play. Usually no more than 5 in a play. Write this down. Here's how they look though. This says act and the capital letter I. This says act and the capital letter 2 I's, 3 I's, an I and a V, and a V. Excuse me. These are called Roman numerals. And the way that they work is that this represents the number 1. This represents the number 2. This represents the number 3. And this represents the number 4. An I, then a V. 5 means a V. If I were to keep going, I would do a V and an I. A V and 2 I's for 6 and 7 and so on. So this is how we write out the numbers in Roman numerals. You maybe have seen these before. The next word I want you to write down is the word scene. A scene is the settings inside of the acts. So act is the biggest, and then there's different scenes in the act. A scene is just a new setting. So when we write these down, we say something like scene 1, which is a lowercase I. It's the same numbers as this, but this time lowercase. Scene 1, scene 2, scene, oops, that's a mistake. I made a mistake. This should say scene 3, scene 4, and then scene 5 is so. So, for example, if I gave to you this, if I wrote act this, scene this, what does it mean? It means act 2, scene 3. If I showed you this, act with the V means 5, the lowercase I means 1. So this means act 5, scene 1. You are going to now try a little practice with the Roman numerals. Should not take you too much time. Good luck!